Hey, what's up guys? This is Shadow Tech Gaming, and today is the day that we've been waiting for. That Dragonary will implement their in-game economy. Means that we can now send our CYT to the Dragonary game itself. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'll be showing you how to transfer your CYT from your coinary hub to in-game CYT, okay? Alright, so let's get started. So first, you need to go to your coinary hub. Alright, so in coinary hub, you will see here that I already have a balance in-game because I tried it earlier to see if there are any issues. So far, there's none. It's all smooth. All right. So what you need to do, if you want to transfer your coinary token from your wallet to the in-game CYT wallet, you just need to click on deposit. This one. If you want to transfer your coinary token from your wallet to your in-game CYT, you need to click on deposit. All right, and for withdraw, this is if you want to withdraw whatever CYT balance you have in game. Like for me, I have 50. If I want to take this out and transfer it back to the coinary token wallet that I have in the coinary hub, then I will click on withdraw. Okay, so right now I'll be showing you how to deposit, transfer the coinary token to the in-game CYT wallet. Okay, here we go. Just click deposit, and then it will ask you for your 2FA. So you guys needs to get ready and prepare your Google Authenticator for the 2FA. Okay, so I will transfer 50 CYT. All right, and then right here, this is where you enter your 2FA code, the one that has been generated by your Google Authenticator. So for me, it's 217313. Okay. All right, and I will hit send, and there we go. My tokens are now being sent to my in-game CYT wallet. So it may take probably a minute or two. All right. And we will check that if we have received that in game. Okay, so I'll hit back to coinary hub. You will see that my wallet has been deducted for 50 CYT, and you can see it here on top that I already have 100 CYT in my Dragonary game. So let's get back to the game and let's see if it's already there. All right, so it's still not there. Even if I go to any other page here, then go back, still none. So what you need to do, you need to exit the game. Right, I'm gonna exit that and then reopen the game. Sec. There you go. So now we already have a new version of the game. Okay, it's now 1.8. So for those of you still using the 1.7, download the new version now on the Dragonary website. All right. So as you can see here, I already received my CYT in game. So I have 100 CYT in game now. All right. So that's it for now. That ends our tutorial. And unfortunately, this withdraw button right here, it's still not working. And probably wait for further announcement for that, and that means that you cannot withdraw whatever CYT you have sent in game. Okay, for now. So we'll be waiting for their announcement, and then once they say that it's been fixed, then I'll be creating a new video for that on how to withdraw your in-game CYT. Okay, so that's it for this video, and hope you have learned something and enjoyed it. And all right, so have a great day and More power to you guys. See you in the next video.